Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome our valedictorian, Mr. Aun Chun, to the stage to deliver his speech. Please welcome Mr. Aun Chun.
Good morning, Selamat Sejahtera, and Guten Tag. I bid to Yang Berhormat Datuk Haja Rubiah binti Haji Wang, Deputy Minister of Rural and Regional Development. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Yang berbahagia Dato' Sri Azhar bin Abdul Manaf, Director General of Majlis Amanah Rakyat MARA. Yang berbahagia Dato' Seri Hassan bin Malik, MARA Council Member. Yang berbahagia Dato' Zulfikri bin Osman, Deputy Director General of Entrepreneurship MARA. Yang berusaha Tuan Haji Ahmad Solihin bin Muhammad Yusof, Chief Executive Officer of GMI. Yang berbahagia Encik Raslan bin Haji Samsuri, Deputy Director General of Education MARA. Yang berbahagia Encik Yahya bin Sani, Senior Director of Investments MARA. Yang berbahagia Dr. Asmi bin Ahmad Mujan, Director of Finance and Acting Deputy Director General of Management Service MARA. GMI Board of Directors, GMI Management, parents, staff members, and fellow graduates of the 29th GMI Convocation Ceremony. Today, I stand before you with a heart brimming with gratitude and a sense of honor as the valedictorian of this remarkable class. I'm Aun Chun, a graduate of the Diploma in Engineering Technology, CNC Precision Technology, and it's a privilege to address you on this momentous occasion. Our journey at the German-Malaysian Institute has been nothing short of an adventurous roller coaster ride. Over 3 years, we have navigated through challenges, celebrated successes, and grown as individuals. These experiences, both good and bad, have shaped us and prepared us for the future. The good moments remind us to be grateful for our achievements, while the challenging ones have made us stronger by teaching us valuable lessons, learning from our mistakes and marching forward. Our accomplishments are not just a testament to our brilliance, but also a reflection of the continuous support we receive from the people around us. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my family, especially my father, Mr. Alex Tan. Without his guidance and wisdom, it would have been impossible to be where I am today. I would also like to extend my thanks to the dedicated individuals at GMI, including my world skills coaches, Mr. Ahmad Aslan, Mr. Zhu, and Mr. Nazim, for the guidance which led to a great success in the competition. Not to forget my final year project, Miss Supervisor, Miss Sarah. Sorry for making you worry all the time during the whole FYP period, and thanks for your guidance, and not forgetting the department admins, especially Miss Rosalina, for your warm personality, which has always made me feel like I'm part of the big GMI family. Of course, how can I express my gratitude without mentioning my friends in GMI? It's fate that brought us together. Thank you for always having my back and cheering me up during my downs. You're the creators of unforgettable memories. How can we forget the good times we had at Hijau and the nights driving around in my cranked up Viva, right? Over the past 3 years, we have faced a historic pandemic, one that has left a mark on society. But we, as survivors of this challenge, I believe, have emerged stronger and better equipped to face the future. As I look out at this remarkable group of individuals, I see resilience. We have endured sleepless nights of studying, faced setbacks, and pushed our limits. We have demonstrated unwavering belief in ourselves, and we have achieved our goals through determination and perseverance. Our 3 years at GMI extend far beyond classrooms and workshops. It's in the friendships we have nurtured, the extracurricular activities we have engaged in, and the moment of inspiration we have experienced. As we move on to the next phase of our lives, whether it is to further our education or to face the world of work, we must remember that each of us has our unique path to follow. There is no need to worry about being left behind because our journey is our own. Let's keep in mind that failures are merely the stepping stones on the path to success, and the greatest lessons lie beyond our comfort zone. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move forward, I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the pillars of support in our journey. I would like to invite my fellow graduates to please stand. First, let's display our appreciation and affection to our parents, guardians, and families who have been with us every step of the journey. Their unwavering support, sacrifices, and encouragement have been instrumental in our success. Let's give them a heartfelt round of applause. Now, I would like to express our gratitude to our dedicated TTOs. They have not only imparted knowledge, but have also served as mentors, guiding us through the academic challenges. Let's show our appreciation with another round of applause. Thank you for being part of our journey. You may now be seated. The class of 2023, let's take pride in being GMI graduates. We inherit the legacy of those who came before us and proved themselves as skilled problem solvers in the industry. Now, it's our responsibility to uphold GMI's reputation and continue its tradition of excellence. Lastly, my fellow graduates, always believe in yourselves. Take those hesitant steps you have been contemplating to make big impacts and conquer those challenges that lie ahead. Remember, failing to attempt is the biggest failure in life. Thank you. Dankeschön.
Thank you, Mr. Aun Chun, and congratulations again.